festival is approaching. Families gather for reunion. Hebei Ruisite, a professional leader in electroplating equipment manufacturing. We put customers first on our commitment and guarantee smooth project delivery. To ensure timely commissioning of production lines, our workers and engineers sacrifice holiday reunion. They stand firm at their posts. Our technical teams serve overseas, in Turkey, Pakistan and beyond. Through precision installation and meticulous debugging, we guarantee smooth operation with professional dedication. We uphold the core principle of quality first. Strictly control every production process. Strive for leading industry standards. We deliver more than equipment and production lines. We deliver reliable high-yield investment projects, bringing long-term value to our valued customers. Based in China, global reach. We expand the international markets via daily. With professional customized design, superior quality, and all-round after-sales support. Earn the trust of global customers. From domestic sophisticated manufacturing to overseas all-round support. Hebei Ruisite crafts quality with ingenuity. We keep forging ahead, cooperate with global partners, drive high-quality development, create a brilliant win-win future.